what you do is you brush in all your angles, internal angles, and then you're able to roll the rest of it. This will be having the shower base will be having 3 coats. I always do 2 coats. Everywhere will have 2 coats, and then a 3rd coat in the shower, and that acts as my slurry for my bed. Tomorrow I'll be laying the cement bed, sand and cement bed, and the tiles all in one go. It's the old school way. It's the best way. Not many young fellas do it these days because they haven't been taught. I've been a tiler for 35 years, a professional tiler for 35. I love what I do, and hopefully you people out there will learn a few tricks of the trade and the right way how to do things. Waterproofing is a biggie because water can be a real pain, and if you've got a leaking shower, that's a tiler's nightmare. So you concentrate on what you're doing. It's easy to do, but you've got to do the right things. A DIY, like owners say to me, can we do the waterproofing? And I say, not on my job. I won't do it. I won't tile it if they've done the waterproofing. So you DIYs out there, please listen to what I'm saying. It's quite important. Well, it is very important actually. This bathroom will approximately be about 5.5 days from start to finish. I might get out in the end of 5, but if it takes me half a day longer, it doesn't worry me. The old saying is, one day longer, one day shorter doesn't make me rich. It takes as long as it takes. When you're doing a professional job, don't worry about the time it takes. This water stop here, this aluminium, stops all water going out of the shower. But I will still have a siliconed in and waterproofed piece of aluminium at the door as a water stop as well. If there is any water that comes out here, it might be a broken pipe at the vanity or a broken pipe at the bath and it floods, water will still not get out into other rooms. It will go down the drain first. It's been in for a little while. A lot of showers were just waterproofed and not the bathroom, but it's way better to waterproof the lot. Doesn't cost much to do it properly. I'll show you the ensuite next door that was done a year ago. It's a shocker. It's so mouldy. I'll take my camera in there when I've got a chance and I'll show you. They're wanting me to tile it and it's only 12 months old, you know, like, oh boy. Which is a shame, but what can you do? They will have to wait until I'm able to get here, which will be probably about 5 weeks away, but that's all right. It'll give them a good chance to use this bathroom and then they'll be hanging out to have their ensuite the same. When you're waterproofing, you're always concentrating on what you're doing. It's not hard to do, but you don't have to worry about brush marks and all that sort of thing. No. But you do have to concentrate on what you're doing and don't leave any bits not done. You see how I've got a few little holes there? Well then, you just touch it up. When you see them. And your home and hose. Mate, home and hose. This waterproof comes in 2 colours, grey and green. Green's my favourite colour, so you know why I'm doing it in green. I like green. Your waterproof up higher than the shower nozzle. You don't have to go right up to the ceiling, but just higher. You know, they reckon 200 mil higher than the shower rose. 200 mil, 8 inches. Beautiful. I plan to show everyone that watches my channel everything I know, what I have learnt over 35 years as a professional tiler. Every 3 days